All right, good morning, guys, and welcome to Full Transparency Trading Morning Breakdown. We're just going to look at the zones and figure out what type of a situation we're looking at on today. We have a high of 97.25, so we're going to mark that out as a point of rejection. We are hanging out above this blue line that we created on the 4-hour, but let's go over to the MES so we can have a lot less on our screen and go to the 15-minute time frame. As you guys can see on the 15-minute time frame, 55.06 is the high that we're looking to reach. And we're pretty close. We're getting closer and closer, but we're meeting some resistance right here. We finally broke this level of resistance. We're above that by about $3 now. So the trend is continuing to the upside. We've been trending up since Friday, where we fell all the way down to 53.96. We're almost a full $110–$15 above that now. But we're still struggling to get up. We still have these areas of hang up that we can come back down to. But if we continue this trend, I'm looking for no lower than this little 71 area right here as we push higher. If we're going to continue to push higher, let me make sure that this is unlocked. It's not. Let's go over to the 1-hour screen and refresh. Then click on this plus sign here. And why we want the 1-hour time frame is we keep reaching for this 55.21 on the 1 hour. We're getting closer and closer every day as this week goes along. Once we hit there, 531 will be the next area that we're looking for, but you can look to make money at each of these levels. The new level of resistance is right here, my blue line, so 55.04, as you can see, we hit already. Once we break that, the next level of resistance will be here at 55.13, but the reason that I don't have that marked for the blue line is just because I do my blue lines off of the 4-hour time frame. I don't do them off of the 1-hour time frame, so you'll get more consistent use off of the 4-hour. As you can see, we hit here. This is a level of support here, so it's a level of resistance now. It was a level of resistance here, so we broke free. Came back down through the level of resistance, level of support to make it resistance again. Came down further, popped right back up into it, and then fell very hard through that resistance area. Fell quite a ways, so we still have a long way to go, but the first area that we're really looking for is about a 550 on SPY. We're still trying to get that $550 back on SPY. We went to about 448.90 yesterday. Let's go over to SPY yesterday. Yeah, so we went to, oh no, we made it to 549. So we're looking for that other dollar to get us to 550. As you can see, 549.91 is it, but 550 is going to happen if we get the 91. If we get the 91, we'll go ahead and come to this line right here just above that to 550, and then from there 551, then from there 553, and then at 555 you're going to 554, 555 you're going to meet some very strong resistance. So I'm not looking to get further past there. But we got about 25 minutes until the market officially opens. This line right here is the pre-market, so we're at about 547.96 right now, or I guess it's 548.06. My marker's just down lower, so we're about 72 cents lower than we were when we closed yesterday. But that's not bad. That's just an area that we can instantly pop up to that 550, 549-ish area as the market opens up if we're gonna have a pop to the upside. I'm gonna take a quick look at the overall feel of the market this morning and see what's up. Nvidia's up $1. No, Nvidia's up a few cents. It's up $1 from yesterday. Meta is up. Tesla is only down like 73 cents. Apple's down a little, about 20 cents. Microsoft is up a few cents. Google's up a few cents. AMD's down a few cents. Amazon's up a few cents, and Netflix are up a few cents. Let me see. AVGO. AVGO is down like 70 cents. It's nothing crazy. So we're still in that upwards trend, even with those few pullbacks. The pullbacks are only by a few cents, so they'll affect us by a couple of dollars here and there on SPY and ES. But once we hit this point right here, yes, we will have a little bit of a rejection, but we should start eking our way back up towards that 551 to 553 region again. If we continue the trend that we've been holding, obviously we can fall all the way down like we did yesterday. We always pull back to these gaps. Whenever we create these gaps, we always pull back into those gaps before we can move up to the next leg. So we have no gap currently right now. We do have a lower level gap if we're going to push down, but we're doing okay for right now. You know, it was quite a bit of fear in the market. As you can see from the fear greed meter this week, we're still a little in the fear area, but that is to be expected. But we're still shifting up. You know, here's utilities, technology, real estate. This is where everything is. The finance sector, we're still leaning towards fear as of today, but we're creeping up out of there. We are a little further to the left now. We're heading towards neutral right now. We get above 550, we're going to be in that neutral area. Show you Congress trades, and this is just fear and greed meter, or the feargreedmeter.com. Let's look at crypto. Crypto's got a little bit more fear than even the market does. But yeah, overall we're good. We got a Fed meeting number 6, day 1 on the 17th of September, so in 6 days. CPI inflation report on today. This is a big boy, so at 8:30 Eastern time is when this is going to happen, so I'm waiting for that. If this goes well, we could see some very fast movements. But let me go ahead and get out of here and put this up so that it's up in time for you guys for the 9:30 burst. You guys have a great day. Happy hunting out there. As always, keep the motto, take the easy money. And if you see green and take green, you'll stay green.